Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for new ways to make money online, especially with digital products, then you're going to love what I'm about to share today. I just checked out a brand new course package called Grok AI Expertise with PLR, and let me tell you, it's a game changer if you're into content creation, AI tools, or simply want a done-for-you business you can launch instantly. Now, I know AI is the buzzword right now, it's everywhere. But here's the thing. Not everyone knows how to actually use these tools effectively, let alone turn them into a profitable venture. That's exactly where Grok AI Expertise with PLR steps in. This isn't just another tutorial or tech explainer. This is a full-blown business in a box. You're getting a complete course built around Grok AI that teaches people how to use this tool for automating content creation, building online presence, and boosting engagement, all without touching a single line of code. What really caught my attention about this package is the private label rights, or PLR. For those unfamiliar with the term, it basically means you can take this entire course, put your name on it, rebrand it however you want, and sell it as your own. And yes, you get to keep 100% of the profits. That alone makes it a powerful opportunity if you're trying to build a digital product empire without having to create everything from scratch. Let's talk about the content. You're not just getting a few videos slapped together with some vague advice. This course is packed with real value. It includes 5 professional training videos that walk users through everything they need to know about using Grok AI effectively. There's a full written guide for people who prefer reading, audio versions of the videos for learners on the go, raw video, files if you want to tweak or customize anything, and even a complete set of PowerPoint slides that present the information clearly and professionally. But that's just the core of the package. It also comes with a fully designed sales funnel. And I mean fully designed. You get a high-converting sales copy, a ready-made customer sales video, professional graphics, animated banners, email swipes, and even a mini website with legal pages included. This is exactly the kind of setup that makes launching your own info product almost effortless. And yes, it includes all the little bonuses that make a big difference, like a cheat sheet, a mind map, and a top resources report. These extras not only add value for your customers, they also help you position yourself as an authority in the AI niche, even if you're just getting started. Now, let's talk about Grok AI for a second. If you've never used it before, think of it as your smart assistant for creating content. It helps you brainstorm, write, and even respond to messages or comments in a way that feels fresh, witty, and perfectly on brand. The best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to use it, and the course makes sure your customers won't need to be either. So who is this for? Honestly, this is perfect for anyone looking to tap into the growing demand for AI knowledge without becoming a developer or spending weeks learning how it all works. If you're a digital marketer, content creator, coach, or entrepreneur, this package gives you everything you need to start selling from day one. And because it's evergreen content, it's not tied to a fleeting trend. People will be looking for ways to use AI in their business today, tomorrow, and for years to come. That makes it a sustainable product to keep in your portfolio or use as a lead magnet to build your list. It's simple to get started too. Just download the course, swap in your name and branding, upload everything to your site or preferred platform, and boom, you're ready to go. No product creation headaches, no tech overwhelm, just a straight path to launching and profiting from a high-quality digital product. If you've been waiting for the right opportunity to jump into the AI space or grow your digital income, this might just be the tool you need. Let me know in the comments what you think about Grok AI and whether you've tried similar PLR products before. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.